Hello, my family members. I know article is very easy to all of you, but today I will give you some article questions such that 50% of them are very confusional and maybe you can't answer those. And all the questions are based on the previous year Accenture exam. So let's see what's the question. So the first question is this. I can't live on dash 5000 rays a month. A and D or no article required. Okay, I hope you have paused the video and tried to solve the problem. The answer will be no article is required because 5000 raise is a specific amount of money and it is being used as a general quantity, right? When we talk about specific amount or quantities without referring to particular instance or a specific count, we often omit the article, right? Okay, let's go to the next question. That is, which of the following sentences or sentence is or are grammatically correct? The S1 is writing in a second language is especially challenging. S2 is writing in a second language is especially challenging. The difference is here, right? In the first sentence, there is no article used before second language, and in the second, the indefinite article is used, right? Actually, the answer will be S2 is grammatically correct. What happens when referring to a non-specific second language? The indefinite article A is used before second language, right? And in the sentence one, second language is used without an article, right? Which could be grammatically less accurate, right? So the answer is S2 is the correct, right? Okay, the next question is Mr. Sharma holds dash honorary post in the income tax department. A and D or no article required. What will be the answer? Please pause the video and try to solve the problem. Actually, the answer will be very easy. That is an. But some of you have question that it is consonant. How can this be an? Let me tell you that actually, honorary starts with the letter H, but it is pronounced like a vowel, right? Honorary, Onorary, honorary, right? Not the H is actually silent here, so the answer will be N. It is treated as vowel, right? Okay, let's go to the next question. That is, which of the following sentence or sentences is or are grammatically correct? The New Delhi is one of the most polluted cities in India. Or and the second sentence is the New Delhi is one of the most polluted cities in India. Guys, please pause the video and give me the answer before I answer, right? Okay, I'm answering the question. That is, the correct sentence is S2, right? So the answer will be S2. When referring to a specific place or city, we usually do not use the definite article the before its name, right? So S1 is incorrect in this case and the S2 is correct, right? Like we don't use the India, right? Only we use India. So you have got the answer, I think. Okay, next question is a quiz for you. That is, dash children are always curious. A children, and children, the children, or no article required. Please pause the video and give me the answer. And another quiz question is this. He wanted dash puppy he played with at the pet shop. Please give me the answer. Okay, let's go to the next question. That is, dash friend in need is a friend indeed. What will be the answer? Okay, I'm answering the question. That is a friend, right? A friend in need is a friend indeed, right? This is very easy. I don't think I have to explain. Okay, let's go to the next question. That is, Sahara is dash largest desert in the world. A and D or no article required. What will be the answer? Actually, this is superlative sentence, and I think hearing the sentence, you have the answer in your mind, right? Okay, I'm answering. Actually, the answer will be the largest desert in the world, right? Because we are referring to a specific desert, right? And the name is Sahara. So we have to specify with definite article, right? That is the. Okay, I hope you have got the answer. Next question is, he is dash LLB student at Nalsar University, Hyderabad. What will be substitute the blank space? The answer will be N. Being a consonant, the is treating as L is being treated as vowel. Why? Because we pronounce L like EL, right? L, and E is vowel, so we have to give N in the blank space, right? Okay. The next is a quiz question for you. Which of the following sentence or sentences is or are grammatically correct? Do you like reading the grammar rules on this page? And the second sentence is, do you like reading grammar rules on this page? So, what will be the answer? Both S1, S2, neither S1, S2, or S1 or only S2? Please give me the answer, all the three quiz questions, right? Okay, next question is, they usually spend their holidays in dash mountains. A mountains, N mountains, the mountains, non-article. And N is not possible because this is consonant, right? There is a probability between A or the, right? Okay, let's see what will be the answer. This is specific, right? Mountains only. They don't visit or they don't spend the holiday in other places. Only mountains, right? So this is specific. So the will be replaced here because this is definite. So the answer is the, right? Okay, let's go to the next question. That is, which of the following sentence or sentences is or are grammatically correct? Sentence 1, a study says that an European prefers to live alone or with just one other person. And second sentence is, a study says that the European prefers to live alone or with just one other person. What will be the correct? The difference between those is here. The article used here is indefinite an and the definite the. So what will be the correct? Okay, I'm answering. Actually, in the first sentence, the an is used, right? So European is being pronounced like Y-O-U. Y-O-U-R-O-P-E-A-N, right? European. So Y-O-U, that is a consonant. So we should use A, right? This is not treated like a vowel, right? So the an should not be here, right? So the first sentence is wrong. And on the other hand, the second sentence is not also correct because the definite article the implies a specific known group of any territory, which is not the intended meaning in the context, right? So the will not be replaced here. So both, I mean, neither one S1 or neither S2 will be the correct, right? Okay, the next question is, in order to understand the problem of the patient properly, the doctor asks for dash X-ray report of the whole body. A X-ray, an X-ray, the X-ray, or no article required. I'm telling you that most of you may have a distinguished thinking in this case, right? Because the answer is an X-ray, not the X-ray, right? Some of you have thought about the X-ray, but this will not, right? Because the indefinite article an is used before words that begin with a vowel sound. In this case, X is pronounced like EX, right? EX. So this is treated as vowel, right? So the N is the answer. So next question is, someone please call dash police. This is very easy question. I should not answer. Though I am answering, the answer is actually the police, right? Okay, without delay, Let's go to the next question. That is, global warming is dash universal problem. I have already solved a problem that was regarding this. European and universal, both are same. What will be the answer? Please let me know. Okay, I'm answering that U is being pronounced like U, right? Y-O-U. So Y-O-U, that is Y is consonant. So this will be treated as consonant. That means the A will be answered. So I hope this session was informative to you and will help you to crack the article verbal ability session, right? Before we end the session, I would request you to please watch the playlist regarding Accenture on-campus preparation for 2024 batch and the specifically the verbal ability questions. The link will be given in the description box, right? So and subscribe this channel, right? Okay, thank you for today's session.